Hello, today we will demonstrate how to install H2RES on your computer and get it working. We will show step-by-step installation of all required prerequisites, as well as show how to get started with H2RES. We will display the basic version and the basic version with graphic user interface. H2RES is a model written in Python and it uses a Gurobi solver. Therefore, let's obtain those two. You can start by browsing for the Anaconda package on the internet. Search for an Anaconda, go to the download section and click the download button. Wait for the download to complete. Now that the download is completed, start the installation process. Use the default settings for the installation options. Now that the installation of Anaconda package is complete, the Python and Spider interpreter are also installed. The next step is to obtain and license the Gurobi solver. For that, search for the Gurobi website. Here you need to register and create an account. We will skip this step since we already have one. Now, it is crucial to ensure your internet connection through the academic domain in order to obtain the free of charge Gurobi license. You can also connect via VPN to your academic institution in order to obtain the license. Now, go to the license section on the Gurobi website and request the new license. Click on Named User Academic since it offers a license of 1 year duration, and after installation, there is an obligation to be connected to the academic domain all the time. Once the website generates the license, this window will appear. Click on Install. Here are the instructions for installing the license. Before continuing with the license installation, first ensure that you have the Gurobi itself installed on the computer. To do so, start Spider Python interpreter. Go to the console, located in the bottom right section of the screen. Type pip install Gurobi py and click Enter. Python is now installing Gurobi. As we can see here, Gurobi has successfully installed. Now, go back to the website with the licensing information. Follow the instructions and copy the command. Open command prompt in the Windows. Paste the copied command and press Enter. Here, several problems are possible. For example, if you are not connected to the academic domain, the license will not install. In this case, it says that the typed command is not recognized, so we need to manually download and install Gurobi. It states that the Gurobi is installed in a different folder. Let's show the Gurobi installation now. Go to the Gurobi website and make sure to download it for the correct operating system. Then run the licensing again. Confirm that you want to place it into the default folder by clicking Enter. If there is already an old license here, type Y and click Enter to overwrite it. If the license is active, download H2RES and get started with it. Go to H2RES.org. To download it, register on the website. Go to the download section and download the 1.0 version of the model. The model is in a zip file, so unpack it. Now, in Spider, go to File Open and find the location of the unpacked H2RES model. Click on Main PY and open it. In Main PY, you can modify basic model parameters such as restrictions and policies. Click on Run to start the model. The results will be outputted in the folder named here. You can also open other scripts located in the Scripts folder. Now we will see a quick demonstration of the model run. Now go to the graphic user interface version, download it from the H2RES website as well and unpack it to your computer. Now in Spider, open the script GUI 1.0py and run it. We have to install the missing modules and continue. When run, it will open this window. Here, you can also modify the simulation parameters without having to go to the code. Click Run and model will execute. You can find additional instructions and a user manual describing the equations on the model website. Thank you for listening.